Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Please on Tech. My phone broke. I have been using a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Sounds like a handful, right? But I've been pretty happy with it. But it just fell right on its face and the screen just shattered at 40,000 pieces. So right now I am at the dilemma of fixing it, actually fixing the screen and go ahead because I was so happy about it, or maybe get a new Galaxy phone. Me being a heavy Note user, I will be going back to the Note. So I have not been up to date with what's going on with the phones with Samsung. And from what I understood, they just scrapped the Note series and they are just making it as something Ultra, right? With the S Pen. I don't know how I feel about that. When I just needed a power phone, I just go with a Note, right? And me personally, I don't care if it is an Apple device or a Samsung device. As long as my productivity and my workflows are there, I will choose whatever I see fit, right? I've been using iPhone for the last 6 years, and I've been using the Note series like 8 years. So I've been using both of them. Note being the productivity machine and Apple being just like a simple, straightforward phone with powerful capabilities because the apps are just way more optimized up there, right? So right now I am just in the dilemma what to choose next for my priority phone because the Note was my priority phone. So let's check out. This is just a handful, right? What they are doing with the phones. From what I understood, I should go with the S22 Ultra or with the Fold. I hate Fold phones, so that's not gonna be with me. So I should go with the Ultra. The thing that I read about the Ultra is that they they ditched the jack to be able to connect headphones. I really use that, so they messed me up with that one. The built-in S Pen is a little better from what I understood. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on, fellas. Does it have an SD card? Or they got rid of it? SD. I don't see, like when I search on it, nothing appears, right? And that's just me just scrolling through the website. Oh man, I'm just getting headaches from all this. I just want like a single screen with all the... Oh man, I feel like Samsung should hire somebody from Apple, man. Like, what's going on here? It's just way too much. Just give me a page with everything. Let me see what's going on. Maybe I'm missing something. I mean, I love the screen, and that's the second reason why I actually hate and love the phone is because the screen is quite beautiful, right? But this front corner of the phone makes it impossible to find a good screen protector. So you will be using this phone without a screen protector. Mine really broke, I think, because it didn't have a screen protector. I think that it had a layer on top to be able to absorb that heat a little bit. It will have prevented my phone from breaking. So this is actually quite something that I hope that Samsung had changed in the new models, getting rid of the curved display, which is still there. So this is actually a minus. They got rid of the phone jack. I heard that they ditched everything from the package to just be getting a cable. So let's see if I say buy right now. Let's see what's going on. Okay. what's in the box, right? See, this is what I don't like. Yeah, what's on the box? What's going on here? Oh man, what is this? So they went the Apple route and just getting the phone, a little cable, and the thing to just pop your SIM card right out. Nah, I don't like this. When I bought the Note phone, it came with everything, even with AKG headphones that I have to this date, and they are actually quite amazing. I use them. I will not say every day because I have my AirPods, but I use them quite often where I just don't have something with me. I just have those always with me, and I use them from time to time. They went the complete Apple route. A phone of this price actually shouldn't be coming with this one. This is why I always love the Note series, because they actually knew the client and they will just give you everything, right? Mm, oh man, this is just bad. Me, for example, I have been using the Note and iPhone 11 Pro, I guess, and I don't care what I use. I have been using an S Pen quite a lot, but since my phone broke, I have not been able to use my S Pen. So when I want to do productivity things, I just get the iPad Pro and write with that. So I have not been using the S Pen at all with this phone, and I have been noticing that my productivity is actually quite better with the iPhone. And I hope that Samsung had changed a little bit from the past. Like, actually, I think that if I buy this phone, I might be actually buying the same phone. I know that it has a better screen with a better refresh rate, but I don't feel like we'll be getting a new phone, right? Just let me know in the comments what you guys think about Samsung coming from the Note 20 Ultra to this, right? My screen is just shattered, but it's just my fingerprint reader right here. It doesn't work anymore, and I cannot write on the screen because all the little pieces of glasses damages the tip of the S Pen. But I can just watch movies just fine, and it's okay. But I don't like this. If you are paying, like, even if it is a great phone, what about paying this? Because this is what I'll be paying in Europe. I don't have this price. I don't have this price in Europe. I have this one, maybe like 1200 euros, right? And I just don't like feeling robbed with a product that costs this much and getting this. And what I've been experiencing with Android is that the apps are not as optimized with as iPhone. So I found myself using the iPhone 11 Pro way more, and also because it is quite pocketable. So I might be going with iPhone these coming years, guys. I have an 11 Pro. I like it. I might be getting an iPhone, a second iPhone. One I use for work, and one is my main, like, productivity tool for myself, and for my private matters. I have been enjoying actually a quite small phone, being the iPhone 11. So if I go with the iPhone, let's see what they have, right? Yeah, this looks quite beautiful. See, this is what I'm at. Let me see. If I go with the 13, I think that you will have to wait for the 14 Pro. I heard that they will be coming out in September, so I might wait for that. But from what I understood, it shouldn't be a lot different from the 13 Pro, just that the notch might be getting a little smaller. From what I see here, I like this. like really slick, and I do like that it is flat. In here, I'll be able to fit a decent screen protector, right? And to be honest, guys, Android for me, Android, Apple, I don't care. As soon as I get my productivity up to the max from what my needs are, to use an iPad Pro, I don't really need the S Pen anymore. I just want the maximum battery life, which my Note was actually quite bad at it. I heard fantastic things about the, but me enjoying the smaller factor, I might be sticking with the Pro, being maybe the 14 Pro. I will look into it. What are the difference? I might find myself a really great deal with the 13, and I might just go for it. If the difference is there, I will get the 14 Pro. The Pro Max is for me a no-no because it is the same size as the Note 20, or as big maybe, being different dimensions. The one is quite thicker, and the other one is quite longer but a bit smaller. So I do like this design. I do like it. And to be honest, guys, I don't know if Samsung is still making the iPhone screens, but I think that for me, I will be getting like a hybrid, being what I like about the iPhone and still having an amazing screen from Samsung, right? If Samsung is still making them. And one thing that I've been loving about my iPhone for work is the Face ID. I have been loving it. The finger screen protector, I loved it right away as well, but since my screen shattered, I have not been able to use it, and it's unbearable how to unlock the phone with this thing being less susceptible to drop, like like it will be shattered right here. I think that you will get a decent screen protector to protect this, and you will have that issue with the fingerprint scanner right now, which have been a nightmare. Like every single app that I use, I unlock it with biometry, and this has been a nightmare. With Face ID, I just been able to, to do transactions and to do everything with it. So I don't know, guys. I might go with iPhone these next couple of years, because the thing that I liked about Samsung was the innovation. I remember the day that I went to buy a new phone, and I just saw how amazing the screen of the Samsung was, and I was like, how on earth is everybody buying iPhone when this screen exists? I didn't get it, right? Because the screen was so amazing of the Samsung, and that's what actually got me into the Note series. And for being, I knew before, like the iPhone had the optimized apps, but that screen of the Note series was just on another level compared to iPhone. I know that iPhone adopted the Samsung screens of their, like Samsung is producing their screens, so you will be actually getting a Samsung thing with this if they are still making them for Apple. I don't know, guys. Just let me know in the comments what you guys will do if you had to choose between the best from iPhone and the best from Samsung, not taking into account the fold phones. I hate those. And the thing is that with the Europe region, I understood that you have a less powerful and not optimized processor. Like the Snapdragon thing is in the US, we don't have that in Europe. The chip from iPhone makes it like way more power efficient, and that's what I'm looking for right now. I cannot get a single day through with the Note. I have to always be having a power bank, and I'm not even gaming on my phone. I'm just doing, you will say power things like browsing the web, a little social media, keeping up with my business. But That's about it. I'm not gaming or doing crazy things, and I'm not getting a single day through. I have a lot of friends that have 13 Pro Max, and they are having a laugh with the day. Like they actually get maybe like 2 days straight out of a single charge. I'm looking for that, but I will not with the Pro Max because I just don't like the size. Or maybe I will get it, I don't know. You guys let me just know in the description what you guys will do if you have to choose. For me, honestly, I have both phones and I don't care. If the Samsung is better, I will go for the Samsung. If the iPhone is better, I will go for the iPhone. You just let me know in the comments what you guys will do if you didn't care about Android and iPhone, and what you guys think about the pros and cons. Get me, for example, what I don't like about the Note series being gone is that they removed the like everything that made the Note appealable for me back then is just gone. The screen for me sucks with the curved display because I have not found a decent screen protector. The biometrics is really cool, but I do prefer Face ID, just way easier and way more accurate in my opinion. What else? The battery is a nightmare of the Note 20 Ultra. The screen is amazing, the productivity is amazing. A lot of apps work better with Android, like just simple tasks, and the multitasking is just really amazing with the Samsung phone. With iPhone, you don't have that, but you have a way better battery life. You have a way faster processor, and do you guys know if the Samsung even has an SD card? Because that was the other thing that I heard that I was like, that's just crazy. Like, if Samsung got rid of the SD card, my decision is made and I will go with the iPhone, because they actually stripped everything away and just made an iPhone branded for Android. Like, so I will just go with the iPhone, which has the better apps or optimized apps with a Samsung screen if they are still making them for them, and a way better video camera. The video camera, right? From what I heard, the photo camera, like, I think the Samsung might be better. I did like the zoom thing, but to be honest, guys, you can do so much pictures of the moon. Like, I mean, it's cool, but me myself, I have not been doing a lot of moon shootings, to be honest. So let me see, let me search for moon. Yeah, there you go, moon. Yeah, I don't know. So let me know in the comments down below. I will post a few affiliate links of the things that I found of for Prime Day that still might be going on, and might be worth checking out. It has nothing to do with the video, that you might find good deals. You might find a Prime subscription or a 30-day trial, and just check it out, man. The link is in the description down below. So just let me know in the comments if you have been in the same position, which you don't care which operating system, but you have to decide. See you in the next time on Please Unbox Tech.